This is a Richarm solar dual head floodlight. It's solar panel, it's solar powered, it has 2 floodlights and a remote. It has a very good user manual and instruction manual. They're 42 LEDs, both of them. It's completely waterproof. I've already opened it up a little bit. It has this nice big solar panel on it that comes with it. And it has this mount, so you can mount it to something and move it around to get in the sun. I'm going to try to get in the sun right here. Comes with these 2 extension cords and these 2 lights. The problem comes with all this different mounting hardware depending on your installation. So let's go ahead and plug this in and test it out and see how it all works. And you can see you can adjust the brightness with the remote. You can put a timer on for 2, 4, or 6 hours, or you can just put on auto so they come on when it's dark out. Here is the solar panel. It has a over 16-foot long cable, and I have this thing fully stretched out. You can see the light there illuminating down into my courtyard. You can see my tripod still set up there, but it gives a nice amount of light. It's well illuminated without being blinding or overly bright. Nice soft white light, but plenty of light to see around. You can see the cable runs all the way here across, and I have another one going out here to do the front of the gate. I thought about running it also into the other portion of the courtyard, but for now I like that I can illuminate 2 completely different spaces with 1 kit. It's pretty impressive. This is probably about almost 35 feet apart, both of these lights, and there's plenty of cord to tuck away, and it looks nice and clean and illuminates the front of the gate's an important part for security and just trying to get around at night if you ever need to come back in the backyard. You can see it's right here, and then there's the other light. I definitely recommend getting this product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.